Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create tags and labels to assign them later to emails and messages you receive through Thunderbird, for example, to the associated or linked email address. So let us guide you through this. Launch Thunderbird and make sure that you're logged in with the associated or linked email address and access your settings or Thunderbird settings by clicking into this button in the bottom left corner. And here guys, navigate to General to the left. Scroll down till you get to the tags section. Now you can, for example, use these to categorize your messages and to add them to specific labels like personal or to do later. Simply click into a new here and create a new label or tag, assign a color, and that's it. After that, save it by clicking into OK here, and that is going to add the given label or tag to that list so that you may later assign them to emails you receive in your inbox. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.